morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.8% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The U.S. Justice Department is seeking more than $4 billion from Binance as part of a proposed resolution of a years-long investigation. Negotiations between the Justice Department and Binance include the possibility that the cryptocurrency exchange's founder, Changpeng Zhao, would face criminal charges. China resumed adding to crude oil inventories in October as refinery processing slid from a record high and imports rose slightly from September. About 560,000 barrels per day was put into stockpiles in October. European shares were subdued after a strong week driven by aggressive bets on interest rate cuts, with drugs to pesticides group Bayer sliding to a more than 14-year low and weighing on the healthcare sector and Germany's benchmark index.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 13:30 GMT, the U.S. Red Book Index at 13:55 GMT, the U.S. Existing Home Sales at 1500 hours GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 0600 hours GMT, the UK's Public Sector Net Borrowing at 0700 hours GMT, Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.